The Honorable Headmaster of Junior High School Trawas, Mr. M. Pahit MPDI. The Honorable Head of English Forum, Mrs. Indah Sulistiarini SPD, and respectable all participants. So I'd like to convey my gratitude toward Mrs. Indah Sulistiarini SPD, the chair of Musirawas English Teacher Forum, which in this workshop is our resource person that will give her knowledge, share her knowledge to us about wordwall application. Please give applause to Mrs. Indah Sulistiarini.
Bagian dari tugas dan
Yang diaula tuh,
that is my complete name. You can call Abi or Mr. Habi. Yeah. And once again, I'm from SMP Negeri Sukadana. Yeah, Sukadana still in Trawas. Yeah. And so far from here, it is about 20 kilometers. Yeah. 20 kilometers from here. Yeah. If we use
I see that after Miss Indah asked you to put the adjective in front of your name, you are busy with your own phone. Yeah? Okay. Please answer me with, if I ask you how are you, you can say fun, fantastic like that. Okay? To bring your stress out. Okay? How are you, everybody? Fantastic. One more time. How are you, everybody? Fantastic. Okay, hope you have already been fantastic today. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Exxon Eliustriani.
Yeah.
Okay, I am from SMP Negeri Rejosari, Intern Mandala. I think enough. Thank you. Next.
Even I hope this morning I will take all this in so.
Of course not.
Introduce myself. My name is
Yang. Yeah.
Salam Susanto.
Again. Thank you, strong.
The word wall here is very new for us. Okay? And this is the inspiration. You are going to be the center of the direction of your students. You are going to attract the attention. And then this is the goal. What are we going to do is, we have keyword and also definition, right? Meaning, we have two things that we can, yes, sure.
as you see that your title